When it's time to bake, best believe I'm everywhere searching for the simplest cake recipes. And Meals with Hubby came through with this one. This chocolate cake recipe is a keeper, and I believe anyone can make it. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's make this delicious chocolate cake together. I'm going to put the list of ingredients with measurement in the description box and also display them on the screen. First thing we're going to do is combine all the dry ingredients, starting with the flour, cocoa powder, sugar. Like I said, the ingredients are displayed on the screen and in the description box. So if you miss any, just check in the description box. This is a baking soda. I'm using 2 teaspoons and 1 teaspoon baking powder. This is half a teaspoon salt. We're just going to combine this. This is by far one of the simplest cakes I have tried my hands on, but the result is so amazing. Now adding some vegetable oil followed by some buttermilk. I'll leave the details about how you can make buttermilk in the description box. Adding 2 eggs. I almost forgot to add the eggs, and that is why you see that I already started mixing before I added the eggs. Now done with mixing all of that together, and the final thing we're going to add is hot coffee. To make this, I simply mix 2 teaspoons coffee in 1 cup of water, hot water. So we're just going to stir this until it is smooth. It will look runny like what you're looking at, but don't worry, this is the consistency you want to get. Now I have preheated my oven. I'm going to pour it into the cake pan and bake at 170 degrees centigrade for 45 minutes. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. Thank you. So our cake is ready. It is looking good and everywhere is smelling so nice. Best part, it is so simple and did not take much of my time at all, and I am slicing into it. I could not wait to get started on enjoying this deliciousness, and I am so positive that if you try this method, you are going to make yourself the yummiest, the moistest chocolate cake ever. I also have a recipe for making healthy dates and cashew nut cake on this channel. You may want to check that out. That one is so good too. So thank you very much for watching this video today. Please don't leave without giving me a thumbs up. It goes a long way. And also subscribing to my channel if you have not done that already. Thank you so much again for watching. I will see you again with another fantastic recipe. Have a great day.